I know I'm 10%, but I am playing as a bunbun, and no one's still reacting to it. Some of them bullying me because I am a square block, but I think this is how the inspiration works. And don't mind me, I'm chewing in my bubblegum. And I'm trying to survive. Wee! Up in a balloon, wee! And still no one's reacting to that. Someone greedy. Mamatay pa kayo. Mamamiss nyo. Yan. Takbo. Run. I kind of locked out. So last your makeup contains lead poison. At least your complexion will bring all the boys in. What the? What is that? Oh my god! What is that? What was the reason? We're still surviving together. Hooray! I don't know how to hack, but I'm still undercovering as a bunbun girl. What was the reason? James, I'm challenging myself. Still keeping up, girl. Twitch. Bit. What was the reason? Is it even coming up? That hair. Oh no! Boing! I'm going wee. Oh no, me not going wee. Okay. Hurry up, Red, hurry up. No! Don't. I am missing the bus. Come here. Thank you. Smells. Ano ba tong text? Look. Smells armpit again. Bilat, oof. Buto, of oten. I want you to guys challenge to say I cup and spelling in your voice. Try saying wee, and I go wee. Oh my god, what is that? I'm flying. What kind of pose position was that? Am I running? I see the balloony. Look closely. Look. What was the reason here? I'm not trying to go on top and there. So let's reset my character. I'm not gonna reset my character. Reset it. That position though. That's me when I'm sleeping too hard. I know, I'm 8%, but I don't care because I want you guys. Ano naman tong... Hey, Bit, what's up, Bit? Let's make a little meme here. There's a pool and... Go away from my pool. I am VIP. Just kidding now. But I am hacker, undercover hacker. I don't want how to be a baddie. Wear red or black lipstick. Always say And last step, wear black clothing. Wee! Can you feel the darkness? Can you feel my What was the reason? So if the makeup contains lead poison, at least your complexion will bring all the boys in. Well, that's all it for today, guys. I was just going to share these, but I'll tell you guys some of the stories in Among Us. Actually, you can put the new airship map in Android, not in iPhone. Okay. Well, bye, guys. Bye. Love you.